Getting some painting done here on the Raptor, mostly weathering the exterior. I still got a lot to do on the weathering and some brush painting. I'll start with the figures. I got them put together. Base coat, which the best Viper Pilot outfit color is Vallejo Brown Violet. It's kind of got that green, sort of metallic color. Works good on all the Viper pilots. I did post shading. I post shaded with Liquitex, transparent burnt umber. That was for all the browns. Just did a follow the contours and panels, everything with the brown. Then I went with carbon black, Liquitex ink, and did more shading on it. Just kind of overlapped it, give it a worn look. And everything still lights up. And I haven't even tackled the bottom yet, which I'm gonna have to flip it upside down and go at it. I gotta paint the sensor dish and more of the armament. But the exterior is getting there. I'll probably do a couple more rounds with the airbrush, doing some of the panels, then go back in with a wash and probably a little dry brushing. And I gotta paint in the nav lights. Use Future to make them pop. Then once I get all the exterior, then I can go back in and fix the lights on the inside. Now all the control panel here, I got like tape on it. And the kit comes with decals, so I'm gonna take clear styrene, glue clear styrene on, and then put the decal on top of it so it should glow. And I'll go back in, put washes on the panel, and paint some of the control panels, and take some red, blue transparent paint different fiber optics in here, just to give it a little flair. And try to fix a little bit of a light leak, but no big deal. I just need to get it just a little more weathered. It's the way a Raptor should be. It's pretty close to the picture. But I highly recommend using inks for shading, because you can make them either transparent or you can make them darker, and they're airbrush ready. Just drop them in your airbrush and go. And I still got to cut out the clear piece for that, for the bubble. But eventually I'll get there. I should have worked more on this today, but I wanted to finish that.